And my yes, ma'am. Rule number 34. Good afternoon, respected ma'am and my dear batchmates. I Kashish MBBS batch 2024. Today I'm presenting here my seminar on the topic marker enzyme and liver disease. In this topic, we will discuss the introduction and we will discuss about what are the marker enzymes and some common liver marker enzyme and their pattern of enzyme in elevation in different condition and the diseases and their clinical application and the limitations. The first introduction, as we know, the liver play a central role in metabolism, detoxification and protein synthesis, as it carries over out lots of chemical processes playing a crucial role in various metabolic functions, including the breakdown of synthesis and substances for energy and building blocks. So liver diseases can be chronic or acute with varying etiologies. So early diagnosis of this disease are essential. The marker enzymes help in this diagnosis. So next we will discuss about what are the marker enzyme. Basically biomarkers. Any laboratory analyte marker enzyme are any laboratory analyte like enzyme, protein, antigen, antibody, मेटाबोलाइट कुछ भी हो सकते हैं जो किसी भी डिजीज के डायग्नोसिस या प्रोग्नोसिस में यूजफुल होते हैं. And if we will talk about the liver has lots of enzyme for perform their functions. एंड किस लिवर सेल्स में डैमेज या किसी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन से एंजाइम रिलीज इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम एंड यूज्ड एज बायोकेमिकल इंडिकेटर ऑफ लिवर फंक्शन एंड इंटीग्रिटी एंड हेल्प डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन हिपैटोसेलर एंड कोलेस्टेसिस लिवर डिजीज. मीन्स ये एंजाइम जो होते हैं वो हिपैटोसेलर मीन हिपैटोसाइट के डैमेज से डिजीज हो रही है या फिर लिवर के ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन से डिजीज हो रही है उसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं एंड यूज इन स्क्रीनिंग, डायग्नोसिस एंड मॉनिटरिंग. And next, we will discuss some common liver marker enzymes. The first one is alanine aminotransferase, जिसका source है liver cytosol and it indicates the hepatocellular damage. And the second one is aspartate aminotransferase, जिसका source है liver, heart and muscle and it indicates the hepatic and extrahepatic diseases. And the third one is alkaline phosphatase, जिसका source है bile, canaliculi and bone, which indicate the cholestasis and bone diseases. The fourth one is gamma glutamyl transferase, जिसका source है liver, bile duct and alcohol is used and cholestasis. And the last one is lactate dehydrogenase, जो कि बहुत सारे tissues में होता है and which indicate the liver necrosis. The next we will discuss is alanine transferase, which is also known as serum glutamate pyruvate transaminase. It is mostly found in liver cytoplasm and uh, uh, sorry ma'am, it is highly specific for hepatocellular injury and elevated in hepatitis and drug induced liver injury, cirrhosis and uh, ALT is an enzyme that play a role in amino acid metabolism, especially in the conversion of alanine to pyruvate. And ALT is more than AST usually suggest viral hepatitis. मतलब अगर blood stream में ALT AST से ज़्यादा है तो वो viral hepatitis को indicate करता है and its normal range is 5 to 40 international unit per liter. The next one is aspartate aminotransferase, which is also known as serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase, विच इज़ फाउंड इन लिवर, हर्ट, मसल एंड किडनी एंड ब्रेन. ये सेल के साइटोसोल और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में प्रेजेंट होता है. इट इज़ लेस स्पेसिफिक देन ALT एंड एलिवेटेड इन सॉरी and elevated in liver injury, myocardial infarction and muscle trauma. AST is more than ALT may suggest alcoholic liver disease. In alcoholic liver disease, the excess alcohol is converted into aldehyde which damage our cells mitochondria. और हमने देखा कि AST mitochondria में present होता है तो AST is more elevated than ALT in alcoholic liver disease and its normal range is 10 to 45 international unit per liter. The next one is alkaline phosphatase, which found in liver, bile canalicular membrane पर present होता है और bone placenta में भी present होता है and it elevate in obstructive jaundice and cholestasis. It is the main enzyme that differentiate the cholestasis and hepatocellular disease and moderately raised in infiltrative liver disease and bone disorders. Normal range is 25 to 90 in international unit per liter. The next one is gamma glutamyl transferase, which is associated with hepatobiliary tissue and highly sensitive for alcoholic liver disease and cholestasis. And and elevated with drugs like phenytoin and barbiturates, and combined increase of GGT and ALP rise